So unfortunately, our ceiling decided that it wanted to collapse on us. So luckily, one of our awesome volunteers came to save the day. He's doing a temporary quick fix right now. So basically our ceiling doesn't fall down on us. Eventually the new goal would be, hopefully getting a new ceiling installed. That is our laundry room. We go through so much laundry here, with the bedding and everything, the toys, and we, try to just keep it sanitary and clean. And we probably do about 20 loads of laundry a day, so our washing machines are very, very important. We actually have a big promotional event right now. It's Bissell Empty the Shelters. Right now, all cats and dogs over 6 months are $25 for the adoption fee. So we are at max capacity right now in preparation for this event.